Very good evening to you, Coach.
Thank you.
Nice job you've been doing so far. You just finished your training section this evening. It's 26 days to the start of the Under-20 FIFA Men's World Cup built for Chile. How ready are you with the preparations and, of course, the team as we look forward to a positive outing in Chile this year?
Thank you. I think we are, even though we're having a very slow movement, but we are progressing. And I believe before the date that you just mentioned, that is the kickoff date, even before we play some international finalists, I believe the team will have been getting to a stage of being ready. Definitely.
Some of the foreign-based players are already here in camp. How are they adapting, and how will you describe their performance so far? They're meeting your expectations.
It's not all of them that are here now. We're still expecting like 2, 3, Daga, Hafiz, Suleiman Sani. We are still expecting them. But nonetheless, those that are here, they are trying to adapt to what we are doing. Gradually, they are picking up. Because some of them just spent 2, 3 days, and with what we saw them doing, it's like they are adapting gradually. Some have been here for almost a week. But I believe we are looking at everybody, so that at the end of the day, that will give us what your performance is going to give us the ability to pick the best among them. The camp is filled with some talented players, even though we are still having issues with our tactical adaptability. But all the same, the players that are in camp, some of them they measure up very well, and that is giving us an opportunity for us to pick the best out of the whole lot of that are here. From the former players that went to Wafu, went to AFCON, the new ones that just came in from Nigeria, some from the NNL, some from the Premiership, and those ones that are coming from abroad. So that is giving us an opportunity for us to pick the best out of them.
Finally, Coach, we will be playing in Group F. Do you think it's a group that Nigeria can come out of on scratch?
Of course, coming out of the group is something I think we should not negotiate or compromise. That one is basic, that we just have to go and come out of the group. It's the number one thing. The task ahead now is how to come out of the group. And we have been trying to get information about them, to know them more. Yesterday, we had the opportunity of watching Saudi Arabia played against Kuwait. We were able to see them. They are under 21. We saw their strength, individual ability, everything we saw, and we are trying to analyze it so that we can know how to neutralize it. And so we are doing to the other teams as well. To respect all the teams in the group, they are all footballing nation, because except if you want to deceive yourself, there are no lessers in terms of national footballs of all countries now. The smallest countries you may even think they do anything, can always give surprise. So Colombia, they are footballing nation. Norway, they are footballing nation. So in Saudi Arabia, we are not underestimating them. But even at that, we cannot compromise our coming out of the group. We are going to make sure we do everything. So long as we have our ambition, we want Nigeria to go beyond our past record, we certainly have to come out of the group.
Thank you very much, Coach.
It's my pleasure speaking with you. Thank you very much.